Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the motherboard on an LG. We're gonna check right now what model is it. Okay, we're just gonna pop it, take off the battery. Okay, it's an LG Ms631. We're gonna be replacing the motherboard on it. So in case you have a problem with the charging port or any issues with the motherboard there is no display on the image on the LCD, then we will try to replace the motherboard. Not beside if you have a broken screen, that's not gonna resolve the problem. But if there is no image, that means the motherboard it has a problem or defective, then we can replace it and that should resolve the problem. Or if the charging port is not working and you want to replace it with the new motherboard, we can do that as well. So first we're gonna remove all the screws. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So about 11 screws. 11 or 12. Okay, so we're gonna take the first one. Okay, put it right here, closer. Okay, take all of them. It's an easy process. There you go. Take this one off. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now that we took off all the screws, we're gonna start peeling this. This is another cover on the top frame, so we have to take it off. We're gonna start from the corner and then just keep going all on the side. There you go. Usually either use this one or there you go. There you go, just keep following it. And then on the side you just tilt it. Two sides. Tilt, tilt, tilt. Okay. If it gets stuck, do not use any don't be hard on it. Just you know that if it's stuck, remember to check if there is any screws that you missed and you did not take them off. And once you take off the frame, we're gonna see the motherboard like this. First, you know, this is the LCD cable. We're gonna remove it, take it off, and then camera right here. We're gonna take the camera off, and the front camera. This is the rear and this is the front, so we're gonna check it off too. There you go. So now we're just gonna take off the motherboard. Very easy and careful. There you go, the motherboard is off. This is the old one. Take the old one off. We're gonna put the new one. Okay, let's see what here. There you go. It should fit the same as the old one. Okay, right here we have to just go with the cable for the camera. I mean for the screen. There you go, we connect the cable. Make sure it's lined up automatically. You don't have to just press hard. If you press hard, you might break the pins. There you go, the first one is on. Cameras. So there are only three connections that you have to put on. There is camera, rear camera, front camera, and then the LCD connection. After that, we're gonna just put the frame back. So put the frame, just little push. There you go, you can hear it snap. There you go. And now we're gonna put, before we put all the screws, we're gonna try and make sure it turns on. Let me see, press. If it turns on, that's mean mission successfully. Yep, there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Or you just, if you wanna like stay with us, we're gonna put the screws and then we told you that, you know, then we'll finish the video. Let's just finish the video. There you go. Put the screws on real quick. Yeah, I was gonna end up the video, but then I decided at the last minute, let me just help my viewers by finishing this video and from A to Z, so you don't have no question left, no doubts about putting any screws in the wrong spot. Oh, there you go. Getting some text messages. Should get a lot since it's been a long time this phone didn't turn on. Okay. Almost. Okay, there's one right here. Okay, and this is the last one, the silver one, silver screw. Okay, there you go. All the screws are back to their spot, and now we're just gonna put the last rear cover. You see, there you go, the phone is working. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, that's help us a lot. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos, and see you soon. Thank you.